College application hack! Here's how to use the additional information section. The following information is actually provided by the UPenn Admissions Office's YouTube channel. Check it out.
But really, if there are other things you'd like to explain or put in context about your transcript, an aberrant bad grade, classes you weren't able to take, scheduling conflicts, etc., be sure to use the additional information section of the application to tell us those things.
Because remember, we are real people reading your application. So if you don't tell us, we may not ever know.
The additional information section is one of, if not the best place to write about concerns you might have related to your transcript or your grades. You can use it to explain any personal or medical emergencies that you might have had which affected your studies. Or you can also mention outside courses you took through something like Stanford Online High School, or even just classes at your local community college. Maybe you had to work a job to support your family during COVID. Or maybe you had to move a few times because of circumstances, and this had a major effect on your grades. Definitely mention that as well. Just be sure not to make it sound like an excuse. One great way to do that, actually, is to end on an uplifting note. Just say something along the lines of, unfortunately, my grades suffered because of XYZ incident. Thankfully, I was able to improve them thanks to ABC measures that I took. I really hope that helped. I'm Kevin Zensei. Don't forget to like and follow for more tips.